This quick tutorial is going to go over how to use rewards. So rewards, there are three types that you can give in your contest. So the first one is a ranking. So that's first, second, third, or fourth. The second option is giving a reward based on the amount of entries that someone collects. So collect 100 entries, unlock this. Collect 1,000 entries, unlock that. And the last option is to give a reward based on a random winner. So I'm just going to take you through these three options and first off show you what this looks like. So you have here the options for the rewards. You can see here there's a first place, second place, third place. So they are all the placement rewards. Then you have a entries based one. So collect 1,000 entries. And then you also have a random winner. So everybody wins this one. Okay, so to set up a reward, all you have to do is obviously create a new reward. I'm just going to show you this template first so that you can kind of see how to build one of these out. So in this top section, you just add the type of reward. I highly suggest that you're a little bit descriptive here and say what the actual reward is. So this first place is who gets this reward, and the reward is actually the e-commerce mega bundle. And then there's a little bit more information here. So you can see back on this that information is here, so you can give a little bit more context. And this is the important part. So here you choose what sort of reward this type is. So this is a ranking reward because it's first place. You put in the first place rank, and then you just drag and drop your image in here which you want to show for your reward type. So that's the basic rewards for a placement. And this is where it gets a little bit more interesting when you decide to create rewards based on the amount of entries someone's collected. So when we have entries here, 1,000 entries, we have the description of what this reward is and how to win it. And then you're obviously just choosing entry this time. So you're claiming that this is based on the number of entries someone unlocks. And the cool part about this section is that you can actually create a crafted email that gets sent out once someone hits 1,000 entries. So you can choose the title, choose your text that you want to put in here. And this is great for delivering PDFs, digital products, coupon codes, free downloads, that sort of thing. Because you can just put the link in here. I highly suggest also, using GIFs and making it a little bit funny if you can, and signing off with your team, and also adding in some customer support help here if people need it. And then same as the other one, you just drag and drop the image that you want here. So that's how you create rewards. Let us know if you've got any questions.